Guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. So in today's tutorial, from the title, you guys know what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be doing distressed locks or butterfly locks pre-made, how to make them yourself for crochet. And so to start, I have my hair. I'm using the Darling Kinky. It's called the Natural Twist in 20 inches. You can pretty much use this hair or any other kinky hair that you have around. Any brand at all can do. You also need a yarn to wrap around a chair or a needle, like anything. You just need a yarn or a rope, anything at all, and then your scissors. These are the things you need to start. You can also add some pomade or oil to it. It all depends on how you want your hair, okay? So once I've already removed the hair from the pack, I then cut one, which is 20 inches, into two to get it like shorter. That's 10 inches. If you are looking for a more longer length distress lock or butterfly lock, there is no need to cut the hair, okay? There is no need to cut it. You just have to use this as it came in the pack. That's 20 inches. So I wanted mine short, so that's why I had to cut it. And then when I cut the hair, I went ahead to take another piece from the pack in the long length and then separated it into two. If you watch the picture or the motion of my hands, you would understand what I'm trying to say. I splitted it into two, and then that is what I'm using to wrap the hair. Now when we get to the wrapping side, you first of all wrap, not like wrap, but place the hair actually on the yarn and get both sides equal. That's the two sides equal. And then once you do that, you then twist where you attach it to your hair. You twist that side and then hold it with your thumb or index finger, okay? And then pick your next hair, the one that you use to wrap it, pick it and then begin wrapping. So from the beginning of the hair, that's maybe the root, you make sure that it's tight. You wrap it like 2 or 3 times before you come down, so that the hair doesn't unravel along the way. Now to do this butterfly lock, it's just like the normal faux locks procedure, just that with this you'll be picking hair outside. You'll be plucking hair or picking hair outside to get it to look messy. Like this faux locks is like a messy kind of faux locks. We don't want it perfect. Let me put it that way. You don't want it perfect. So you wrap and then you bring piece of hair out. You wrap, you bring piece of hair out, and that is basically it, guys. That is how to do these locks. If you can't do it yourself, because faux locks are kind of expensive to get it done by a professional, it's kind of expensive. It can range between 350 cedis to 500 cedis, depending on the length that you want. So if you are looking for a more cheaper way, you can use this braid, this brand, that's a Darling brand. A pack is 22 cedis. Just get the number of packs you want. I believe 4 packs should be enough for a full head. Just make your hair, put it down, and then you can crochet it. You can do individual locks with it. Once you are fed up with the look, you just remove the hair, wash it, put it somewhere, and then reuse it again. This hair is reusable, so you don't have to think about the cost that's involved, okay? So on this channel, we try to do DIYs, which is economical DIY that is cheap for everyone to be able to afford it. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to do any other pre-made hair in the comment section down below, or if you have any hair suggestion for me, just leave it down below and I'll make sure to attend to that. So I keep repeating the same process over and over again. If you watch the motion of my hands, you will be able to get exactly what I am doing, okay? So these days I have tried my best not to be talking too much in videos, because I feel like when you watch me doing it, you understand it better than me talking to confuse you more. So I'm going to keep quiet and then allow you enjoy some music and also take you guys through the process.
Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping. Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping. Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping. Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping.